Cancer is a global health challenge affecting millions of lives every year. The Global Cancer Statistics Report for the year 2020 has thrown light on the incidence and mortality rates of a whopping 36 different types of cancers across 185 countries. This comprehensive report provides us with a unique perspective, highlighting the most commonly diagnosed cancers. Breast, lung, colorectal, prostate, and stomach cancers rise to the top of this list. Among these, lung cancer stands out, reigning as the leading cause of cancer-related deaths worldwide. The numbers are indeed daunting, and they present a sobering look at the health challenges we face globally. These staggering statistics underline the global health challenge that cancer presents, and it's a battle we must fight collectively, armed with knowledge, awareness, and a steadfast commitment to early detection and treatment. Let's delve deeper into this report and its findings in the upcoming segments. What if we told you that early detection could significantly improve survival rates? You see, the earlier a cancer is detected, the better the prognosis. It's as simple as that. But it's not always that easy, especially in low-resource settings where access to healthcare may be limited. Take breast cancer, for instance. It's one of the most common cancers, and yet with increased awareness, clinical examinations, and timely treatment, we can reduce mortality. It's all about catching it early and getting started on the right treatment plan as soon as possible. And it's not just about breast cancer, this applies to all types of cancer. The key is to be vigilant, to know our bodies, and to seek medical advice when something feels off. Because when it comes to battling cancer, every second counts. That's why we need to advocate for early detection strategies, especially in areas with limited resources. Early detection and timely treatment can make a significant difference in survival rates. Did you know that screening programs have proven effective in reducing mortality rates? Let's talk about it. Population-wide breast cancer screening programs, for example, have been instrumental in saving lives. By using mammography, these programs facilitate early detection and treatment. In fact, guidelines recommend mammography screening for women aged between 50 and 69, and it doesn't stop there. The same principle applies to lung cancer. Thanks to the introduction of low-dose CT scans, lung cancer is now often detected in earlier stages, resulting in improved survival rates. The recommendation here is annual screening for individuals aged between 45 and 54. But remember, these are guidelines and not absolute rules. Regular checkups and screenings should be a part of everyone's healthcare routine, regardless of age. After all, the earlier a disease is caught, the better the chance of beating it. Screening programs have shown effectiveness in reducing mortality rates. Did you know that colorectal cancer ranks third in incidence but second in mortality globally? That's right, this type of cancer carries a significant burden. It primarily affects those in transitioned countries, where lifestyle factors and genetic predisposition play a significant role. Now let's shift our focus to liver cancer. This type of cancer, unlike colorectal, has seen a decline in both incidence and mortality rates. The reason? A reduction in exposure to risk factors. Hepatitis B and C viruses have been major contributors to liver cancer. However, the introduction of vaccinations and effective treatments for these viruses, along with measures to reduce exposure to other risk factors, have led to a decline in liver cancer rates. The key takeaway here is that prevention is crucial. Whether it's through lifestyle changes, early detection, or vaccination, we can make a difference in these statistics. Efforts to reduce exposure to risk factors have led to declines in liver cancer rates. Did you know that esophageal cancer remains a significant health concern, especially in men? This type of cancer, which affects the tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach, is often diagnosed at a late stage, making it particularly challenging to treat. Now let's turn our attention to cervical cancer. The good news is that cervical cancer rates have been declining in many regions thanks to robust screening programs and vaccination efforts. These preventive measures have proven to be highly effective in detecting cervical cancer at an early stage and in preventing its occurrence altogether. Looking ahead, we are faced with a sobering prediction. By the year 2040, we can expect a substantial increase in cancer cases, particularly in countries with low and medium human development indexes. This looming health crisis highlights the pressing need for effective prevention strategies and global cooperation to combat cancer. The growing burden of cancer worldwide underscores the need for effective prevention strategies and global collaboration.